Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni Espresso machine. After we replaced the power switch, there's the old one. The rocker didn't work quite right, and then it was just not powering on. So now it's working well, nice and hot. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. My grind's a little bit tight for this machine. A little bit too fine. But you can see it. Oops. See, it's working well. Lost my camera there for a minute. And test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.